Hello and welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Jo and I am the creator behind this channel, Faith Journaling. So I have now completed the setup and all of the creative side of this journal, and it is ready to be written in. So before I begin writing, I thought I would give you a little tour and show you what I've done. If you're interested in seeing a journal after it's been written in, let me know and I will see what I can do. So this is a B5. The brand is Scribbles That Matter, available on Amazon. The paper, it's 120 GSM and it contains approximately 212 pages. It does come, the first couple of pages, with an index that you can fill out. But I don't use that, so I have just decorated the first couple of pages. And then we get on to the first spread, which is just, we have some fancy cut Dutch doors here. Now I am very much a beginner when it comes to the gyro cut, so these are not perfect by any means. They're also not symmetrical stickers, so that does make things a little bit trickier. Okay, next we just have some waterfall tabs. And here we have a horizontal Dutch door. This was made up just with 3 different stickers. And back to waterfall tabs with some butterfly washi tape. And then we have some fancy cut Dutch doors with some gnomes. I don't know why, these make me smile. Okay, and waterfall tabs. Too far that one. Okay, and then we have some Dutch doors. And waterfall tabs. Now this is where you will start to see some of my spreads in videos. This was the first video that I made. I'm not talking on it, it is just music whilst you watch me create this spread, but it is available on my channel. And likewise, this is also a video available on my channel. And again, We have some Dutch doors with Eeyore. This video is on my channel as well. What I did was to make it slightly easier, because I didn't have symmetrical stickers. You can see I actually stuck the stickers onto pieces of paper, patterned paper, and then made the Dutch doors with the paper. Now this was a little bit of a whoopsie. I accidentally skipped a page, so I went back and decorated it afterwards and just made it into a butterfly spread. And this washi tape is just books. Okay, and this one is a horizontal tab, waterfall tabs. This is also a video. You can see I did the tabs. They're not actually tabs at the bottom, they're just decorative washi. And back to the waterfall tabs. I do a lot of waterfall tabs. They're very easy, they're very quick, and yeah, I do think that they're very effective. And here we have a horizontal tab. Both this one and the previous one are videos available on my channel. And here we go. This is a video, and this is my first video where I actually talked. The first videos I did not have the confidence to speak, so they are just silent with music, but this was the first one where I actually did speak, and it's an actual tutorial rather than just watch me do it. Likewise, this is also a video on my channel, and this is the scalloped tape. If you've watched this one, or if you like a laugh, please do go and watch this one, because this one was quite difficult, because this tape was the stickiest tape I've ever come across, and it kept getting stuck in all the wrong places. But although it caused a few problems, I did manage to work around it, and to it looks fine. You wouldn't know that there have been any problems. Okay, so the next few spreads haven't been filmed. I'm gonna be honest, I did film this one, but I wasn't very happy with it, so I never uploaded it. And the others, I realized I was running out of time. So if you're new to my channel, I use my journal for my morning quiet time, where I sit and I write my prayers and I write Bible verses that have spoken to me. And I always try to be one full journal ahead. So I wanted this one fully decorated before I started to write in it. And the one that I'm currently writing in, I was just about to finish. I was just about to run out of pages. So I realized that if I was to continue making videos as I made spreads, I wasn't going to have this finished in time for when I needed to actually start writing in it. So I decided to push ahead and just get this done. And so you will be seeing these ones for the first time in this video. Now these stickers are a little bit different because they're actually stickers that I created myself, but don't worry, I'm going to be using them again in my next journal, so I shall reveal all of my secrets then, and so that's something to look out for. but these are fussy cut glass jaws, and it's the same sticker, it's just in different colours. So we've got blue, we've got purple, we've got pink, and then we've got yellow. And that's all in one thing. So it kind of looks like there's washi tape and then a sticker, but it's actually all in one. Okay, so waterfall tabs with different washi tape. I tend to get most of my craft supplies from Temu. So these, you can get some very unusual tapes and things. You don't get a lot on a roll though, so by the time you've done one spread, you've probably used more than half of your roll. So therefore, every spread is different when it comes to the ones that I use in my journal. If it's a product that I've purchased, it will always be different. I'll never do the same spread twice. Okay, so we've got some horizontal tabs here. I did the tab at the top and the bottom. And then back to the vertical. And diagonal. These washi tabs, this washi tape, sorry, is actually, it's inspired by watercolours. Oh, it's just starting to rain here. I don't know if you can hear that. So I'm in the UK and we've been going through a drought, an actual drought, and we've had no rain for several weeks, which, if you know anything about the UK, is incredibly unusual, especially in summer. But there we go. So to have seen some rain and hear some rain, it's actually quite nice for once. Now you can see that my pages look slightly distorted. It's just because of all of the stickers and things that are in the middle of the page. It's kind of pushed the pages out slightly, but we have some horizontal tabs here. And there we go. That's the end of it. So that's one journal ready to go, ready to be written in. And I shall begin decorating my new one very soon. So my next journal will be, as a sneak peek, it will be this Tea Fossy journal. It's the same size, a B5. This is 160 GSM. dot journal. So there's only 150 pages in this one. But this is my next. You see, it's got the lovely gilding. And on the front as well. It's almost like a suede-y. This bit's almost suede-y. That almost feels like leather. But it's the same dot journal. So yeah, so that's my next journal, which I shall begin working in the next video. Well, I hope you enjoyed that flip through of my current journal, and I hope that you will check out some of my other videos, and that you will join me as I go forward and begin to decorate this one. Thank you for joining me.